Good morning, I'm Ronnie with Alina Group with another Allied installation. This one is in Pinellas Park, Florida, and we just replaced it with from a temp star to a 2.5-ton 16-seer heat pump. And customers are pretty happy with this, and we're going to continue our installation. Thank you. And our air handle is in place, and it's a nice clean job. And we use this Pro thermostat. Also, we got a Tropic Supply. And we are done with our Allied installation. I can't stress enough that this Allied is just so dependable, reliable, economical, and energy efficient. And we've been just installing a lot of these now. And it's just a great piece of equipment, and friends are telling friends, and that's how we thrive from word of mouth. And we want to thank T23, our store, our Tropic Supply store, for giving us great, amazing customer service. And I also want to thank Tropic Supply for recognizing Breast Cancer Awareness Month. That's also very important to us, and our customers are also very grateful. Thank you.
I'm happy with my installation, and thank you for the breast cancer awareness.